Frugal cooking can be a great way to save money on your grocery bills and stretch your food budget further. Here are 10 tips for frugal cooking that can help you save money and still eat well. Plan your meals in advance. Planning your meals in advance can help you save money by reducing the number of trips you need to make to the grocery store and by allowing you to take advantage of sales and discounts. Make use of your freezer. Freezing leftovers, cooked meals, and ingredients can help reduce waste and save you money on your grocery bills. Use cheaper cuts of meat. Instead of buying expensive cuts of meat, opt for cheaper cuts like stew meat or ground meat, which can be just as tasty and can be used in a variety of dishes. Shop around for the best prices. Take the time to shop around for the best prices on ingredients and compare prices at different stores or markets. Don't be afraid to haggle or ask for a discount, as this can save you money in the long run. Use cheaper ingredients. Consider using cheaper ingredients like beans, lentils, and grains as a protein source instead of more expensive meats. These ingredients are often more cost-effective and can be used in a variety of dishes. Make your own stocks and broth. Instead of buying expensive stocks and broth at the store, consider making your own. This can be done by simmering bones, vegetables, and herbs in water to create a flavorful and inexpensive base for soups and sauces. Grow your own herbs. Growing your own herbs can save you money on expensive fresh herbs and provide you with a fresh, flavorful addition to your dishes. Buy in bulk. Buying ingredients in bulk can save you money in the long run, especially if you're able to find good deals on bulk items. Just make sure to store bulk items properly to prevent waste. Use every part of the ingredient. Don't throw away the stems and leaves of vegetables like broccoli or the ends of carrots. These parts of the vegetable can be used in soups, stocks, and other dishes, helping you to get the most value out of your ingredients. Use your slow cooker. Slow cookers are a great way to save time and money in the kitchen. They allow you to cook large quantities of food at once, which can be stored in the freezer for future meals. Plus, they use less energy than cooking on the stove or in the oven, so they can save you money on your energy bills as well.